Tisa, ikaw na! Ikaw na talaga! Tisa! Ikaw na! Tisa! 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 Atisa! Atisa! Woo! Woo! Girl! Woo! Atisa! 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 Atisa!
Oh my, ang ganda girl, grabe.
Grabe, ang ganda! Parang Diyosa talaga! Goddess! Oo! Goddess! Oh my God, Atisa! Atisa! Ano po yan?
That was the evening gown competition. This was such a wonderful performance and a moment for their confidence, their elegance, and the presence take center stage. For many contestants, the right gown, the true elevator, help them stand out and even advance in the competition. I would have to say so. It's not just about the dress and the design.
Atisa!
Those eyes that she's given the camera and the judges. It's how they radiate on stage.
By just looking at their gowns, you can already tell who's gonna make it in the top 5. Of course, Atisa is one of them.